and its great capital, London. The city alone deserves its own episode too of the most haunted of all. The great medieval castle, the Tower of London, and a slightly lesser known spot in the centre of Mayfair, deep in the heart of the city. Name is His Majesty's Royal Palace and Fortress of the Tower of London. Its history spans all the dark medieval days.
Graduation day to you. Happy graduation day to you. Happy graduation day,
Sarah Ferry.
Happy graduation day to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Allah bless you. May Allah bless you.
Dupatta.